What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to go through and show you how to replace the downstream oxygen sensor in the Toyota MR2 Spyder. So if you haven't seen my MR2 Spyder Amazon oxygen sensor vlog, check out that video. It shows exactly how the previous oxygen sensor failed. So today I'm actually going to take and put one of my old oxygen sensors in that was a Denso. So I just got an oxygen sensor out of my old catalytic converter. Now these are the basic tools you need to get an oxygen sensor into an MR2 or out of an MR2. The proper socket is actually it's like 7/8 slotted for the wire. So that's number one. You need that to get it in and out. This is a mildly used oxygen sensor. I'm actually not sure if it's good, but it's better than what I have currently, which is in 2 pieces. 3 is an orange Sunkist to stay hydrated. My preference is diet. I'm on a diet. I'm also wearing a blue smock to prevent my clothes from getting dirty. There we go, broken loose. It's also important to remember while taking this out that this particular oxygen sensor in the past caused me a lot of trouble. I actually broke my exhaust. If you look, there's a flex tube right next to it that connects to, and if you torque hard enough on this oxygen sensor and with enough wear on that flex tube, it'll actually break off. Be very careful if you have the stock catalytic converter on your car and you're taking out this oxygen sensor for the first time. Those joints may be rusted and it might break loose from the manifold itself. Now for the new one. But I would just hand thread it and then give it a couple ugga-duggas. An ugga-dugga is a measure of torque, I promise. Now if you're wondering where this oxygen sensor cable actually is, right around the back side of the air duct. So I'm going to disconnect this old one, feed it back through, like so. Throw this in the trash where it belongs. Just going to take a drink of my non-sponsored Diet Sunkist. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, please. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful. If you need any advice, feel free to comment below. Ow, my finger hurts because I actually scraped it on the ground. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Remember to like and subscribe, and then more content to come. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!